Hey there, gorgeous! Are you ready to transform your hair into a dazzling, head-turning masterpiece? We all know the struggle of dealing with dull, lifeless hair caused by daily wear and tear, but fear not. We've compiled a list of 10 easy and effective ways to bring back that radiant shine to your locks. So, let's dive right in. First, coconut oil. Dryness is the enemy of shiny hair, but fear not. Coconut oil is here to save the day. Packed with natural moisturizing properties, coconut oil rejuvenates your locks and enhances shine. Opt for unrefined coconut oil for maximum nourishment. Simply warm it up in your hands and apply it from the ends to the tips of your hair. Second, egg treatment. Eggs aren't just for breakfast. They're also a fantastic natural treatment for shiny hair. Egg yolks are rich in fats and proteins, while egg whites contain enzymes that remove excess oil and buildup. Mix 2 egg yolks with olive oil, apply the mixture to your hair after shampooing, let it sit for a few minutes, and rinse for striking results. Third, yogurt treatment. Plain yogurt is a secret weapon for reversing damage caused by pollution and styling products. Massage plain or Greek yogurt into dry hair, avoiding flavored varieties that may contain sugar. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing with shampoo and conditioner for a rejuvenated shine. Fourth, aloe vera and honey. Mix equal parts aloe vera, honey, and conditioner for a hydrating hair mask. Aloe vera nourishes and soothes the scalp, while honey moisturizes and adds shine. Be sure to use pure aloe gel and check for alcohol in the ingredients to avoid drying out your hair. Fifth, apple cider vinegar. Say goodbye to oily buildup and dullness with apple cider vinegar. This magical elixir revitalizes hair, leaving it silky smooth and shiny. Mix apple cider vinegar with water, apply it to your hair after shampooing, let it sit for 15 minutes, and rinse thoroughly for best results. Sixth, beer wash. Yes, you read that right. Beer can work wonders for your hair. Rich in protein and nutrients, beer revitalizes and strengthens hair, smoothing cuticles and preventing dandruff. Massage flat beer through your hair after shampooing, and treat yourself to a beer wash every 2 weeks for optimal shine. Seventh, mayonnaise treatment. Who knew that a simple jar of mayonnaise could be the key to glorious shiny hair? Full-fat mayonnaise increases hair density and strengthens the hair shaft while nourishing your locks from within. Massage it into your hair, let it sit for 30 minutes, and rinse with cold water and shampoo for luscious shine. Eighth, avocado. This buttery vegetable isn't just delicious, it's also a powerhouse for shiny hair. Mash avocado with extra virgin olive oil and apply the mixture to damp hair. Let it sit for 30 minutes before washing as usual for enhanced shine and restored health. Ninth, banana and almond oil. Bananas and almond oil team up to soothe tresses and maintain a healthy pH balance. Mash avocado with a ripe banana and almond oil, apply it to your hair from roots to ends, and let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing for incredible shine. 10th, proper diet and care. Last but not least, don't forget the importance of a nutritious diet for shiny, healthy hair. Feed your body with healthy fats and proteins to promote hair growth and hydration from within. There you have it. 10 easy ways to get shiny hair that will have you turning heads wherever you go. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to radiant locks with these natural and effective treatments. So go ahead, pamper your hair, and let your shine shine bright. Let us know in the comments below